This is the highlights from the mini symposia. I am here with Nur Fadel from the Swiss National Supercomputing Center of ETH Zurich. And you were one of the co-organizers, together with Mauro Bianco, also from CSES, of the mini symposia, a symposium, Emerging Computing Technologies for Next Generation High-Performance Computing. Can you tell us a little bit more of what was this mini symposium about?
Yes, definitely. The mini symposium was designed in order to have a span over the new technology, potential new technology, that eventually will be used in HPC in the next 10 years. So we basically invite people from quantum computing, but not only, because there are other emerging technologies which are very interesting, like neuromorphic electronics. And for this reason, we invite one distinguished researcher from IBM, who presented their new microchip, who has been designed by them, but actually produced by ST Microelectronics. And then probably the least mature technology, but very promising, is photonics, neuromorphic photonics, that can promise to train and inference AI models with a fraction of the energy currently consumed, for example, in our Grace Hopper, on our current hardware.
So what are the major highlights or the takeaway messages from this discussion during your mini symposium?
I would say, for sure, it was very interesting to see the level of maturity of the neuromorphic electronics. There are many, of course, potential platforms. We have the presentation only from IBM for sake of time. And this definitely is very close to be technically ready. It's more a commercial decision to put in production or not. It was also very interesting to see the benefit of optical from neuromorphics, although they have still many fundamental problems to be solved. And also have an overview on the quantum computing in Switzerland. So here at PSI, nearby here, there are many let's say called chips, even not chips, quantum computing devices who are being developed currently, and probably in the next years will reach an industrial phase. So these are the main highlights.
So what are the next steps that you would like to see happening in the next coming months?
Next coming month, for sure, what the takeaways is that I would like myself, but also many people in the audience, give a try to this platform. For example, there is an open platform to try this IBM microchip, and it's freely available. It was shared during the presentation. Then I'm thinking also to reach the people from photonics to potentially have a similar access, but of course this hardware is more experimental. And that's for sure. And if not only next month, I would say next year, we will focus more on, since these microchips are specific, they are not universal, also engage with other professors to see how much can be done from the AI point of view on these chipsets.
Very good, Noah. My question was about the next coming months, not only the next short term, but a bit long term. But you answer perfectly well. So thank you very much for joining us in this chat, and thank you all.
Thank you.